They did a study, I believe it was done in the 70s at Stanford. They did it on butterflies. So they had created a butterfly ecosystem, and butterflies' attractions are colors, vibrant colors, and the size of the female butterfly's eyes. So what these scientists did is they put all these butterflies into the wild, and then they created fake artificial butterflies with larger wings, bigger eyes, more vibrant colors, and they put these into now this environment that they created. And over time, what they noticed is all the male butterflies were no longer attracted to the real females. They would all go to these fake butterflies. And this is where the terminology supernormal stimulus came from. So when you consume pornography, first, second exposure, you've created a supernormal stimulus that when you return back out into the world, you will not be able to duplicate that hit of dopamine, that stimulus that you got. And they did an amazing job of breaking that down at Stanford with the butterflies. But you see this play out in the world now because what are women beginning to do? They want bigger lips, they want bigger eyes, longer eyelashes, bigger butts. Women aren't putting implants in their butt for themselves. They're putting implants in their butts because men are attracted to super normal butts.
The expectation
has
already
been raised.
Been set, yeah.
Yes. So that is how we're seeing this literally playing out right before our eyes.
How do we combat that as a society?
Men need to step up and get off pornography because women aren't gonna change. Women are gonna keep shooting porn. They're gonna keep doing what men are attracted to.
They're getting the likes and the follows.
They're getting likes, follows. They're making hundreds, if not thousands, if not millions of dollars on OnlyFans because men are willingly. How do you solve the problem? You have to cut off the demand for pornography first, and then that will eliminate the supply, and then men must go through this process of rewiring, rebooting, rechanging, and let's get back to what traditional beauty is.